Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to make something called Biang Biang noodles. The noodles themselves are really long. It is said that one noodle can fit in one bowl. They're, I think, 2 meters long. And they're super simple to make, just requires a little bit of technique, and the sauce is actually vegan as well. That's your thing. I hope you like them as much as I do. Thanks for watching!
First add water, flour, salt and oil to the mixture to create a dough. Some say the dough banging against the surface when being kneaded is the sound of the Biang Biang. Once you've created a smooth ball of dough, flatten it and cut it into 8 pieces. Then shape each piece into a cucumber shape and you'll end up with 8 cucumber shaped pieces of dough, which you will then oil to make sure that they don't stick to the plate. Make the sauce. You add oil, green shallots, garlic, chili flakes, soy sauce, vinegar and sesame seeds. This is the trickiest part, but it's also the most fun, and don't worry if you don't get it first go because it really improves with time. Stretch the dough out as far as you can get it without it breaking. Just be gentle and make sure to oil your hands. Boil the noodles just for a minute or until they rise to the surface. They cook very quickly. Then just add the hot chili oil over it and toss with your chopsticks, and then you have the perfect Biang Biang noodles.